Wait, bro, no, bro, I need safety glasses. I need safety glasses. Can't do that shit without safety.
I'm dead.
Fuck around, lose the eye.
Oh, boy, is it?
Alright, we ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, man.
You ready?
I don't know.
Nah, you got this.
Alright, ready?
What was at the end of it?
Nigga, that, bro, that shit.
That.
Did it cycle? It did.
Yeah, bro. That was a flush.
It's. Alright, ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Shit just disintegrated, bro. Take two. Oh, money.
Ah, it jammed.
The bottom's busted out.
Oh, fuck. See, that's not good.
Fucking.